And look, there's really a number, so you really know, oh, I really am next.
Walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let it take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day. And everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better.
Okay, I'm now gonna show you a second test of, well, actually like the third test already, because the second time I made cappuccino, it was perfect. So the machine is working when it comes to making froth. I just gotta have to show you so it would be fair for the brand. Now making the froth part, I hope this time it will work still. See? It worked. Good morning, guys. It's actually past 9 a.m. This is actually like the earliest that Ralph has been in the morning. We are going to see a doctor. Unfortunately, we're not going to Dr. Jimenez because he has a new policy, according to Ray, that if you're gonna list your name there, you're gonna have to stick around to get seen. And because before we're used to like going there in the morning, have our names listed, and then we come back at lunchtime because of course there's just so many people, and Ralph is asthmatic. He cannot stay around to sniff all of the perfumes of different people there. So this new policy is really gonna be so hard for us. That might mean we're not going back there anymore. But yeah, Ralph has a big zit on his chin or in his jaw area that is very infected. I think it's like the zits that I have on my head. And you know him, his pain tolerance is so low that he thinks he's dying from it. So yeah. So we're just pretty much gonna go to the doctor right next to Seven Waves Cafe. Usually they're doctors from Bacolod. We don't really know who they are, but Ralph just wants to be seen. Okay, we're moving now, moving. Okay, it's a very hot, sunny day today. Hi, guys. Hello.
Hello, Arwen. Hello, Frodo.
Arwen, Frodo. I don't even know if they're using the box, but maybe they do. So yeah, like I said, we are going to a different doctor. We're just gonna have ourselves listed, or him and Ken. Sa may Aguilar Street lang kami drabla sa may doktor nga tupad sa Seven Waves. Ay na! Pwede na, di ka balista? Thank you. Hello! Oo. Mapalista lang kami. Look at Seven Waves Cappuccino. The froth is really perfect. I'm still not to that level. I'm still yet to learn how to make that perfect froth. Okay, so it's like past 10. We're supposed to be back here by 11. Or if we're here at 10, but then again, we're taking Ken with us. I think we're just gonna have my brother pick up Ken. Dire? When? Sa 31? November 1 yan? So ba yung costume? Yeah! This is my first time here, our first time here, so this is the first time I'm seeing what's inside. It's actually very cozy and comfortable. Ken is not feeling well. It's really, really bad right now. I actually think this is pretty neat. It is, for me, it is pretty organized because the receptionist attends to you when you get here. She takes your blood pressure, she takes your weight, and then if it's you're next in line, you will be ushered in this area, so that the outside area are for people who are next to be taken the vital signs. I think that's pretty neat. And look, there's really a number, so you really know, oh, I really am next. Whereas in the other clinic, you're just assuming, okay, maybe my name or my file is already on the table. Ralph will always stand up and check if his file is right there. So here, we really know that we're next. It's kind of crowded though, like it's not so wide.
Yeah, I'm kind of claustrophobic, so this is like.
Yeah, Ralph is a bit claustrophobic. And he's really not feeling well. We are now getting closer to being seen.
Let each moment take you higher and higher and higher than you've ever been before. Walk through